Alright guys, quick video, just got the rear sets on. They weren't too bad to do. This floor jack here was instrumental in making this go fairly easy. Last time me and my buddy John did these on my 2017 and I had an aftermarket exhaust, so I didn't have anywhere to kind of jack the bike up on. It went easy with him and I, but this time I did it by myself. So thankfully I had the stock exhaust on, and I wanted to do it tonight because my exhaust is actually going to be in tomorrow. As a matter of fact, they tried to deliver it today, but I wasn't home and they wanted a signature. So hopefully they try again tomorrow. So there they are. Lextek rear sets. I think they came out pretty good. Pretty straightforward. I always worried about this swing arm axle coming out, but I used a 3/8 extension and pushed it through with that, and just leveled it out with the jack, and it actually came in and out fairly easy. So now I haven't ridden it or anything. It's like 2 o'clock in the morning at my house, but I did use the quick shifter. A lot of guys are complaining and saying that the quick shifter doesn't work with these Lextek rear sets. But what you have to do is get a left hand rose joint. And I'll see if I can't put a link in the description below for one of those. But basically, you can't take your stock one off. It's just riveted, or however they got it on there, it's not coming off. So you got to get a left hand rose joint, and it worked perfectly. I got the 257.9 millimeters from here to here, almost exact. You know, seems to shift perfectly fine. I guess we'll see once I get out and actually try it. But another thing was the issue with the, and I don't know how I'm going to do this with the phone in my hand, but with this spring hitting here, it's actually nowhere near it. And I've got it on these on the lowest setting. I know some guys were complaining and saying, well, you're going to have to put it up on the highest setting for it to work. But I've got it on the lowest setting, and it's nowhere near the spring. So I don't know what the deal is. Maybe some guys are just not having the luck, or I don't know. I don't know. Maybe they've changed something since these have been made. I have no idea. But anyways, no issues with that. So pretty straightforward. Not a bad install by yourself. I don't know. It took me maybe an hour, and I was taking my time. The next thing I wanted to talk about, which I forgot in my last video, was the new decals that I got from hooliganstickers.com. Again, I have a code that you guys can use. I don't know how much off. It's 10% off, or $5, $10, 20. I have no idea what it is, but it's R6Realtor1. It's my Instagram name. So he's got these new radiator guard ones, which I like. I think they look pretty good. Something to break up all the gray. And then this is actually from my local shop, and you can see it doesn't quite match, and we even took a booklet, put it up against this, and we thought it looked perfect, and then we got it in, and this is how it came out. So it's a little too orange, not enough red. I'm having a really hard time matching this up for some reason. But anyways, I'm working on that. I actually may just take this off and put a gloss black on. The reason I might go with that gloss black is because, you know, this is matte gloss black. I think it would look pretty sharp like this. Now, this is from hooliganstickers.com, which in my opinion looks awesome. It's like a vinyl, 3M vinyl material, and then he gives you the sticker to put over it. And you have to use, the only way I was able to get this on, it went on like 30 seconds, which I was really surprised, but you have to use some heat. So I used a hair dryer, kind of put it in between my legs and pushed it on like this, and it went on in like 30 seconds. Super easy, no problem, but you have to use some heat to make it, you know, take the shape of this emblem. But I think it looks so much better than that ugly chrome thing that was on there, which I hate having chrome on anything. These bolts drive me nuts that are not painted. But anyways, and then I've got the new metallic black, which I don't know if I'm going to keep these on mine because I've got a matte black. He's actually, I've got some matte black stripes on the way as we speak, as a matter of fact. But I think these would be pretty sharp for someone that's got a Raven or a matte black, and it, you know, it'll blend in a little bit, especially with the gloss Raven. And then kind of like a police car does sometimes, where you hit the lights and then you can see what it says on the side of the vehicle. I think this will kind of give that same effect. So I think they'll look really sharp on someone's black. I don't know what other colors he's got. Maybe they've got for the blue or the red. I don't know. But that's something to look into. And again, you guys can use my code to get a discount off those. And he's also got a emblem that does cover this up. This is one that he gave me a while ago, so I just put it on there, and it doesn't quite match, but it kind of looks cool with the orange popping out. Although he is sending me one that's going to cover it completely, so it's going to be all matte black, matte black, matte black. So, but yeah, that's it, guys, for now. Again, I want to do this quick video before my exhaust comes in tomorrow. So I'm pretty excited about that, and I will do a video and show you what I ended up going with this time. All right, guys, see ya.